How are y'all doing, friends? Friends, I've been so lazy. Well, it's not really lazy. I've been so tired. Like, we moved into our apartment on Friday the 5th. Excuse me. Friday the 5th of November. And then we started school Monday the 8th of November. And it's just been like school, doctor's appointments, on top of every other thing that we have to do. Like, obviously getting groceries, getting to know the place, finding Wi-Fi connection and everything. We haven't installed Wi-Fi yet in this apartment. Sorry. Sure. But does anyone else get this? Like, when they yawn, they cry. Like, when I yawn, it's so embarrassing. Sometimes I'll be in public and I yawn and then my eyes just start watering. Where was I? Yeah, we haven't installed internet yet. We're gonna do that probably this weekend. Hopefully, we have time, or the company that we're gonna go with. Hopefully, they have someone to come and install it for us this weekend. It's actually nighttime. That's why I'm yawning. I'm so tired.
Whatever. This is me and my sister's room. She's still busy sorting things. She's still packing. There's a closet there, and then there's this chest of drawers. Yeah.
There's paparazzi in my room, guys. Help me!
She has a mental disability. But this is the boys' room. Messy as always. Messy as always. But anyway, wow, I'm in here. And this is the walk-in closet. I am not going to even attempt to open that because, wow.
Madame, s'il vous plaît. Can I film your room?
This is my mom's room. Her room is the most put-together room in the house. She's running away. She even has a friend. His name is Tom. Hi, friend. Walk-in closet as in all.
Where you got your accent from?
What's wrong with my accent? Whatever. Yeah, it's more or less like the old apartment, the quarantine apartment we had. Yeah. So I'm gonna be doing a cost of living series on my channel. I'm gonna start with housing, yeah, stuff like that. So please stay tuned to the channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, turn on your post I can never say that. Just turn on that bell to get notified. 10 to 6, like 10 to 6 p.m. And it's been dark since 3:30. 3:30 p.m. It started getting dark already. Woo! I don't know what it is. Mandy is the witchcraft. Guys, can you tell I'm trying? I'm busy doing washing. It's Sunday today. I'm busy doing washing. I was also cleaning the kitchen and trying to continue packing. Know what I mean? I'm tired, like I'm so tired. Hi guys, it's me. Oh my god, it's so cold. We are walking to the store. I'm wearing 2 jackets, a scarf, 2, what is this, a cap or a hat? What is this? 2 beanies, gloves, socks, and I'm still freezing. Look at that. And I'm still freezing. Oh my god.
And this isn't even the worst.
And this is not even the worst. This is not even the beginning actually, because it's still too warm. But yeah, we're just going to the store. We didn't go to school today. We had some other appointments. Walking to the store. Oh my god. What are you trying to do? No one can see you.
I'm trying, Mama.
Oh. Yeah, so yeah, we're going to the store. What else when I get home? I'm expecting a package, but it's like a small package from Amazon for my phone, just like a screen case and a cover. So yeah, that's just it. My style, babe. this, but it's too big. It's too big. It's a 3XL. just got home now from the store, so we didn't really buy much because like we felt like the decor was too expensive. We actually only went there for this. It's like a screwdriver to set up our TV, the legs of our TV, and then we got a few other stuff. And my mother bought me this. She's so sweet. Yo, so rude. She's so sweet. Yeah, it's not a full-on what is this tripod thingy. It's just like a selfie one, or for you can vlog with it. So yeah, it says here it's a vlog kit. Okay, this was $13 with taxes. So this is an early Christmas. And then yeah, we got some other stuff, like I think this is my sister. We needed like instant coffee. We have a coffee machine, but it is so, and sweets as well. It's, I don't know, like it's not like brand new, but it gives us like problems opening. Like I don't know what to do. Like they told me I have to press and open it. It worked like the first time when I opened it, but now it's like I haven't used it for a while, and I actually like that coffee. It's so nice. But yeah, so it is, I think it's past almost 3 o'clock. I'm gonna start cooking, and then I need to do some cleaning as well. The boys' room is so filthy. I'm probably gonna try and clean it, and then what else do I have to do? Oh, I'm gonna study, of course, for my French classes. So this is the package that I got earlier today. You saw the clip where I tried to be aesthetic and I acted as though I had just gotten the package. I got the package earlier on and I already opened it. So that's what it's already opened. Okay. Wow. Okay, that's one. I think there's another one that fell there, but okay, this is what I got. I had already opened it. Obviously, you can see that's already open. This was a 6-pack of phone thingies. I don't know what these are called, but it's, you put them at the back of your phone and then your hand. Yeah, I don't know. And then this is a 3-pack of screen guards. Yeah, it took 2 weeks for these. It was only supposed to take a few days, but it took 2 weeks. That's a 3-pack. It was a nice price. With the wipes, obviously. There's still something else. I think it's like the cover that didn't come yet. But yeah. Now I'm going to unbox this one. I only have one hand. With two phone holders, remote control light, and it has 10 brightness levels and 3 color modes. This is the ring light. I guess this is like the tripod thingy that goes on there. And this is to hold the 2 phones. Oh, there's also like a little guide in here. C'est bon. This is the back of the phone. This is what it looks like. It's got a built-in screen protector. It's very cute.
Come see outside. Go see outside. We just woke up and wow. Look how beautiful.
It's freezing.
Wow. Oh my God. Uno, get dressed. We're gonna be late. Go get dressed.
I am about to go.
Stuff like that. Wow. Guys, it's so beautiful out here. Don't you dare throw it at me. It's beautiful. But it's slippery. It is so slippery. And it's damn cold. Damn. Oh, I just got back home. Come on, focus. Shout out to my mom who opened my package on my behalf. Like, come on, man. Sunny Beauty Cosmetics. Black owned in, is it Ontario or Ottawa, something? So it's whipped butter as well as hair growth oil, herbal growth oil. So I'm quite excited to try that out. I love the packaging. It's so cute. It's clean. And it listen, you can take the Africa out of Africa, the African out of Africa, but you cannot take the, oh, I don't know what I said, but yeah. Look at him. Look at him.